throw it for here. You just slip your head off center line slightly, bend them knees a wee bit, and then we're coming to the opposite side. Pull back from there. We're going to duck, and then step back, 1/2 step. So I want you to actually step. Yeah, exactly. All right. So we're going 1, 2, 3, duck. Right, so you're just dipping at the leg. So everything you're kind of wanting to be here, right? And then you're bleeding this shoulder. I'd like to see more bleed in this shoulder. Just, exactly. So you're kind of hiding, look, in behind this shoulder like that, right? Because that's going to make life a lot easier, just doing this straight away. But then from there, it's you're sort of just 1, 2. Now the weight's here, and then from there, that pull back is here. And then look, you duck down from there, pull out, and then instantly back in.
You duck and pull.
Yeah. Once we add the speed into it, so blade behind that shoulder, get that left kind of out, because you know I got to throw anything, you can block here, you know. Exactly. All right. So you're going 1, 2, pull, boom. Yeah. All right. So 1, 2, pull. Good. Back in. So inside as you come back out, it's shoot back in, ready to strike. You know, come into fighting range again. All right. So we're going 1, 2, pull, boom, back in instantly. Yeah. So you see, as I missed that, I want you in on top of me. You know. Yeah. Get you in, even with a jab, just to make it realistic. All right. So you're going 1, 2, pull, boom. Yeah. Exactly. Just being there. All right. Yeah. Lovely. You know, that's what I want, but that's exactly it. All right. Yeah, lovely. Good. A wee bit closer, get in. Don't be scared to be there. You throw your jab from me, right? And then throw your backhand. Now you throw a left hook. Now you throw a backhand. Now you throw an uppercut. Right. You see? You see, I mean, the way it's kind of, it's boom, 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 boom. Yeah. You know? All right? So you're going. Yeah. And it's seeing them shots, that's why I want you to be, everything's here, you know. Everything's nice, because we're kind of fighting from mid-range to close range, you know. As I sort of fall in with my shots here, you know. Here, it's allowing me to kind of develop a plan if any of these shots do come. So, you know, you see the back, the jab, the backhand, the lead hook's coming, then I'm rushing in. You know what I mean? So it's allowing you to feel the range differences, okay? All right? So we go, boom, boom. Yeah. That's the one, all right? Good. Keep your eyes on this, all right? It'll make a big difference when you do keep your eyes on this, because now you've got a visual to see, all right? Because a lot of people just get in the habit of just going through it. I want you to see the shot. You know, laser in on them hands, because this is the hands, the arms coming at you and boxing, right? So as you see them, the blue paddles coming at you there, you're lasering in. You know, even at here, like, it's hard to see from here. So the uppercuts come, it's seeing every shot, okay? Yeah. Boom, 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 boom. Good. This is all about head movement and awareness and footwork. It's not about really throwing the punch. That's just to get you back into the void, back into the range of fighting. But it's more about the head movement itself, the lateral movement, and the hand being up, you know? All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4. And then that last one, yeah, sweet. See it all. So watch this, and then you'll see better. Yeah. Good. And again. All right, see that? Yes. Look at the difference. See, that's a massive difference. Just getting that lead hand up is making in your game here. It's just perfect. You know, you're not still too low. I see the way I like to kind of teach, and everyone's got a different approach. You know, you can have a super high guard here at a certain point, and that is good to have that in certain cases here. But we want the hands sort of here, like. You know, you don't want them blocking the eyes either, because then you can't really have much peripheral vision. But you don't want them too low either, especially as a beginner. Like, because I still class you as a beginner, and that's not being disrespectful, but I don't like this here, because, you know, a good fighter is just going to pop, bang. You know, even just stop you here and then bring that backhand through the middle. But if you're here and I try to pause that, you know, I'm just going to hit the glove. You know what I mean? So let's refine this style a wee bit of yours, just to have it a wee bit more here at all times. All right, and I'm going to keep whacking you if you don't. All right, so it's boom, 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 boom. Yeah, look at the difference there. Right, now let's get the wee pattern. Boom. Yeah, sweet man, that's blocked far. Get that hand. Yeah. Boom. Yes. Boom. Yeah. Oh, sweet, man. Left hand needs to be up. Work your way in. Touch my hand with your jab to work your way in. We're in the danger zone now. Now let's slip. Beautiful. Alright, work your way in. I'm out of range here. Spot on. Same again. Work your way in. Good. Extend that backhand a wee bit further for me, alright? Work your way in. Good. That's why I really want you to focus in on that, because that's how fast it's happening in real life. Yeah. Maybe even faster. You know what I mean? So this is really like real fight work here. Do you know what I mean? So you're seeing it, you have to see it and then slip. Yeah. So it's a matter of you reacting to seeing the shot. So it's being ready, right? It's a matter of, look, I was like working this wee triangle here, like this, and then I see the shot, either way I can, bam, you know what I mean? So if you're just here, like, waiting for something, I get faint, and then you've moved, you know what I mean? But there's no real purpose to it. So you kind of want to be there, fading in and out, you know what I mean? And then bang. And we know we're only going for one shot, so you know you're going to that side. Yeah. And it's, yeah. Let's keep it clean here. Okay. We're going for the slip backhand, keep the left hand up. This is harder to read. Yeah. Relax. Always kind of be there, moving already anyway. And just remember, see that one jab, it's optional what you do. So you could go slip backhand every time. You don't have to go slip lead hook the way I was showing you there. Like, it's not like you have to do that, that's just an option. So where would you find that would be an option, in my opinion, would be, see if someone's throwing like a really lazy jab and letting it like lie out there. That's the perfect opportunity to come inside. You know what I mean? Yeah. So, and sometimes someone that's throwing a fast jab, I think it's easier then to throw the slip backhand. Do you know what I mean? So it's just, it depends on what you see. You could see that opening there, like, and then bang, you know what I mean? Or you can see, it's just optional what you want to do with it. Right, so soften the knees, keep the fundamentals clean, back hands up. We're going to go inside, slip, lead hook. Good. Good. Longer. So lengthen that out. Yeah. Just tap it. Good. Outside slip backhand. Left hand up. Through your backhand. And again. Yeah. Good. That's it. And that's why I try to tell people, take the sting out of it in the part. I know you can punch. Yeah. You know what I mean? You don't have to prove to me you can hit hard. Yeah. Do you know what I mean? You hit me last week in sparring, I know you can punch. Like, this is about technique and distance, so we're trying to aim where we're hitting, you know what I mean? And I shouldn't have to come too far out, that's you being lazy. Come you into me, we're fighting now, so like, imagine we're here, try hit my face. You know what I mean? Like, you have to come in. You know, you're not going to hit me if you're way out there. So if we're hitting the pads, that's why pads sometimes can be a wee bit of a negative and an unrealistic thing, because you're drilling stuff in, but you could be, I'm making you work out here, but you need to learn to work in with me. So as you throw your backhand, as you throw your jab, it's, look, you know, makes sense, you know, right? And never coming under you. Exactly, right, slip backhand, or, yep, stepping in. Oh, you're sweet. All right, so you're going to slip in under my jab and for your jab at the same time. So go this way, yeah. Now, do it together. So don't you do this, but you're doing this. I want you to, right, so where your legs are at, I want you to go like one, like that. Yeah. Meet me, that's it. Straighten that hand out a bit better. You're kind of coming here. Meet me down the line. See, when someone says take their head off centre line, you only take your head off centre line if the person is keeping their head continuously on centre line. So you hear this a lot in boxing, take your head off centre line, take your head off centre line. But you see if I'm taking my head off centre line every single time, I could be actually met with a hook. You know what I mean? That's 100%. But where you'll take your head off centre line is, say you're fighting a fighter who's the gislet, and they're not taking their head off centre line ever, then that's where you would take your head off centre line. So you're fighting a longer, taller guy, and he's here like this, right? He's not taking his head off centre line, and all he's doing is throwing you a jab like this, a jab like that, and he's catching you before you catch him because you've got the smaller arms. Then that's where you would take your head off centre line. So when and where, all right? So I'm pretending here I'm longer than you. As I throw my jab for you, you have to step in with your jab and then take that head out. Yep. Now, as you do that, I want that back or that lead hand back there every time. All right?
So straight back.
Yeah, straight back. Snap it. I want to be snap with your jab more, Kahar, right? I want to be up. You see that? I'm snapping off it. You're kind of trying to. I can feel you trying to really load into it. I want it to be a snap, right? That's what I want, all right? Yeah. That's far better. Right, now let's add the backhand after that. Right, so it's boom, and then throw it over on the top. Yeah, so it's bang, bang, all right? Yeah. Good. Yeah. Lovely. A, B. Boom, boom. Snap with it. Soften them knees a bit for me. Just touch it, elbows in. Yeah. Good. Snap. Good. Right, slip back hand. Left hand up. Yep. Come in. So you make sure to come in, yeah. Remember we talked about, don't let me do all the work. You have to do the work. Left hand up, lovely. That's far better. Yeah. That's nice. Yeah. Right. So parry it a wee bit cleaner. So throw your jab for me. It's like it's almost like catching rather than even parrying. All right. So you throw, right. Then just come back with your own jab. Yeah. Well, I'm going to just do it, and I'm just going to let you do it. I'm just showing you what you're supposed to be doing here.
Right.
All right. Soften the knees. Fundamentals here, and then as I throw my jab, yeah, yep, good. Good.
Are you stepping in or just?
Well, do what you think you can do there. Like, you remember from my chin, can you touch my chin from there? Yeah. Yeah. So you remember what it says about when and where, like you don't need to step in every time. Yeah. You don't. If the distance and range is good, you don't have to step in. Yeah. It's only if you're not mastering that distance, then you might need to step in ever so slightly. Yeah. Do you know what I mean? But you might be able to touch me just from there. So I might be committing too much, and then you could be catching me. So a fighter might end up coming too lead heavy. And then look, now you've caught me. But maybe I'm doing this. Watch this now. This is going to make a difference here. You see, look the way I'm positioning myself. So it really is dependent. So you have to kind of figure that out with a few jabs, right? Did I hit him there the first time? Nah, what am I doing wrong? You know what I mean? If I'm catching him every time, don't fix anything. All right?
Jump there.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah, now you're catching. See? So as I posture up, you know, or even throw my, I could be throwing my jab like this, look. Try hit me now. It's a lot harder because I'm moving as I throw it. So it's just about mastering that distance here with that parry. Yeah. Good. Right, now I want you to block my straight, right, with your lead hand, right? So it's kind of like, some people call it answering the telephone, but because I'm aiming for your chin here, just there. Good, and I would do it more, so throw your backhand at me. It's more like there. Just straight up. Yep. And then come with your backhand. Right, so I'm throwing my backhand there, then you come with your own backhand. Yep. Yep. Yeah. Now after that, I'm going to throw my lead hook. you block, and for your own lead hook.
Right.
Right, let's do it slow, all right? So I'm going, and you throw for me. Yeah. Right. Mega realistic. Soften the knees a bit. Backhand's coming first. Yep. Bang. Throw at the same time. Boom, boom. All right. It's not a matter of wait and then throw it.
So
you see the left hook coming, and then you catch me as soon as you can. Do you know what I mean? So the backhand's first. One. Yeah. Boom. All right. Just doing it in 2 parts, not like all together, right? So first one there, yeah. Yes. Lovely. Good. Yeah, beautiful. That's the one. Good. Yeah. Nice. All right, back to the slip backhand. Good. Good. Lovely. Block my backhand. And then throw your, yep. Yeah. Okay, counter the left with your left. Yeah. Yep. Right, let's work that. Hand up, but. Go again. You're sweet. Double jab right. Lovely. Hands up. Go. All right, relax. Go. Yeah. Nah, your weight's like here. You're doing this. I want you to do this. Look, this. Look. Right, what's the difference? You're doing this, forward. Look at me. Here. And then you bring the balance back onto your back foot. Yeah. Just work with that for a second, right? Yeah. 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 So yeah, if I catch, does that make sense why you get it up?
Yeah.
That's why you get up high. So it's like, yeah. All right, makes sense. And just look, relax. You just need to relax with that one. You're very stiff there. So I want you to just relax with it. It's just boom, look, boom. It's actually not a complex movement. It's actually so easy. Yeah. But it's just, you're so, like, you're trying to bring it in, just let it flow, look. The lighter the better in practice. And you can build a wee bit of power and speed and all after with it. Yeah. So let's just practice that. Lighten it up and just turn it, yeah. And now you've got faster feet than that. Let me see them feet turn. Yeah. Boom. Yeah. Get it out and away. Boom. Longer. Boom. Right, stay where you're at. Boom. Yeah. Longer with the left. So throw it together. Yeah. 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 So I'm here. Coming at you. Yeah. Longer, longer. Yeah. Moving. Be ready to move. Nice and long, relaxed. Relax. I'll do this today. Good session.